In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a digital gift card. A digital gift card, sometimes called an eGift card, is a fast, secure way to send credit for shopping, gaming, or streaming without waiting for shipping. Here's how to do it from start to finish. First, decide on the brand or store you want. Think about what the recipient enjoys: gaming platforms, popular retailers, food delivery, or streaming services. Having the brand in mind makes the rest of the process quick and straightforward. Next, go to the brand's official website or a trusted gift card marketplace. Using reputable sites helps you avoid scams and ensures the code will work. Look for a secure connection in your browser and make sure the web address looks correct. On the site, find the section labeled Gift Cards or Buy Gift Card. It's often in the main menu or footer, and many sites also have a search bar if you don't see it right away. Choose the amount you want to load onto the card. Most brands offer preset amounts and sometimes a custom option. Double-check the currency and region, because gift cards are often region-specific and may not work outside their intended country. Select the digital or e-gift card option, not a physical card. Digital delivery means it arrives by email or text, usually within minutes, which is ideal for last-minute gifts. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. If you're planning a surprise or want to forward it yourself, enter your own contact details instead. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and number. Delivery depends on this information being correct. Add a name and a short message if the site offers it. This personal touch helps the recipient recognize the gift and can include any instructions they might need. Proceed to checkout. At this stage, you'll pick your payment method: credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another listed option. Some sites may show taxes or a small processing fee, so review the totals before paying. Confirm the payment and review the order summary one last time. Make sure the brand, amount, delivery method, and recipient details are all correct. Then, place the order. Within minutes, the gift card code is sent to the email or phone number you provided. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Keep the code secure and avoid sharing it publicly. If you sent it to yourself, simply forward the message to the recipient. That's it. Result: you receive a digital gift card code that can be redeemed online, with redemption instructions usually included in the same message.